everyone, and welcome back to English with Mrs. Singh. Now, if you are returning, welcome back. And if you are just coming to join us, welcome, and I hope you'll enjoy your stay here. Now, today we're going to be looking at adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns and pronouns. Now we have a list of adjectives here on the board. Let's go through them. Beautiful, kind, courageous, empty, easy, expensive, direct or direct, comfortable, excellent, confident, immense, deafening, husky. All right. We're going to put these into sentences to show you how they describe nouns and pronouns. Let's begin with beautiful. Now we're going to use a pronoun with this word. Here goes. She is beautiful. Or she is a beautiful girl. In these sentences, beautiful is describing she. It is telling you how the person is. And here it shows us where beautiful is describing girl, which is she. All right, let's go to the bike. All right, let's go to kind. We're going to use kind with a noun. Errol is a kind person. So, in this sentence, kind is describing Errol. It is saying that Errol is a kind person. All right? Courageous. We're going to use courageous to describe an animal. Now, which animal do we know is normally courageous? A lion? Yes, let's work with a lion. Do we want to give that lion a name? All right. Let's just work with lion. The lion is a courageous animal. The lion is a courageous animal. No, courageous is describing lion, who is an animal. All right, let's go to empty. The jar is empty. The jar is empty. Empty is describing jar. It is telling us the state of the jar. There's nothing in it, so therefore it is empty. All right, easy. The exam was easy. The exam was easy. Easy is describing exam. It is telling us how the exam was. All right, the exam was not hard. It wasn't manageable. It was easy. All right, expensive. That is an expensive watch. Expensive is describing watch. It is telling us that the watch is expensive. It costs a lot of money. All right? Direct. I am a direct person. which means I speak it as it is. All right, I am a direct person. Direct is describing I, who is a person. All right, comfortable. My bed is comfortable. Comfortable is describing bed. All right, excellent. Mommy did an excellent job at calming the baby. Mommy did an excellent job. Sorry, I left out job. Where is my duster? All right, we're going to work with the duster replacement. Mommy did an excellent job at calming. Let us change the baby to Tommy. At calming Tommy. All right, so mommy did an excellent job at calming Tommy. What is excellent describing? Is it describing mommy? Mommy's excellent. Is it describing Tommy? Tommy is excellent. Or is it describing job? I think it is describing rather. It is describing job. It is telling us the type of job mommy did. Mommy didn't do a poor job. Mommy didn't do a filthy job. Mommy did an excellent job. Okay? So, excellent is describing job. Confident. Maria is a confident speaker. Now, Maria is a person that gives speeches, right? And when she's giving her speeches, she's not shy. So, we say that Maria is a confident person, right? She goes after it full force. She gives it her best. Maria is a confident speaker. So confident in this sentence is describing whom? You are correct. Maria. Confident is describing Maria. All right. Let us go to immense. Johnny is feeling immense pains. Johnny is feeling immense pains. Oh no. All right. So, what is immense describing? Is immense describing Johnny? Johnny is immense? No. Is immense describing feeling? Well, is immense describing pains? All right. Immense is describing how much pain Johnny is feeling. It means that the pain is not just there, but it's overbearing. It's too much. It's immense. It's a lot to bear. All right. So Johnny is feeling immense pains. Deafening. Your music is deafening. Your music is deafening. No, deafening is describing music. No, what does this mean? It means that the music is too loud. The music is deafening me. All right? Good. Husky. Tom has a husky voice. Tom has a husky voice. What does this mean? What is husky describing? Husky is describing Tom's voice. All right? It is telling us that Tom doesn't have a cool, soothing voice. Tom has a husky voice. Husky. All right? So, Tom has a husky voice. All right. Let us underline the adjectives that are in these sentences. All right, so we're going to use a different color. So beautiful, underline. In the sentence, kind is our adjectives. Courageous, empty, easy, expensive, direct, comfortable, excellent, confident, immense, deafening, and husky. Okay, we have reached the end of today's lesson. I hope that you learned something new, something about adjectives. All right, and you go ahead and use some adjectives of your own. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.